Tuesday, the Congress released its 55-page manifesto with a slew of promises just days ahead of polls. The party manifesto tries to put the spotlight back on jobs. India Today did a quick check of how much the populist measures would cost if implemented fully. Here's a report.
गरीबी पर वार 72,000 कि हिंदुस्तान के 20% सबसे गरीब परिवारों को हर महीने उनके बैंक अकाउंट में कांग्रेस पार्टी की सरकार डायरेक्ट पैसा डालेगी.
Exactly 9 days before voting in the 2019 Lok Sabha polls, the Congress has released its Jan Awaaz manifesto that promises wealth and welfare for the citizens. With focus on jobs, farmers and its flagship scheme, Nyuntam Aay Yojana or NYAY. The showpiece without doubt is the promise to put 72,000 rupees per year in the pockets of the poorest 20% families. But that's not all. The party claims it will fill 22 lakh government vacancies by 2020 and start a separate Kisan budget. The Congress's poll statement is by all means populist and is meant to bring focus back on issues like jobs as against the BJP's nationalism narrative.
सबसे बड़े दो मुद्दे हैं रोजगार और किसान. देश में युवाओं को रोजगार नहीं मिल रहा है. नरेंद्र मोदी ने 2 करोड़ की बात की, झूठ. 22 लाख सरकारी रोजगार खाली पड़े हैं. उनको कांग्रेस पार्टी मार्च 2020 तक भर के दे देगी.
The BJP has accused the Congress of making promises it has no intention of fulfilling.
मैनिफेस्टो में ये कहा गया कि जब वो वायदा करते हैं उसको निभाते हैं, लेकिन जानकारियों के अभाव में जो वायदे किए जाते हैं और ऐसे वायदे जो किए जाते हैं जिनको कभी लागू नहीं किया जा सकता, जो अपने आप में खतरनाक हैं, तब तो जनता उनको ये अवसर नहीं देगी.
A look at the numbers show that with 3.6 lakh crore on NYAY scheme, 2.66 lakh crore on education, 3.23 on health and extra 22 lakh government hirings, all the measures, if implemented, will cost the exchequer over 10 lakh crore rupees a year. The Congress's manifesto also pledges to scrap the sedition law, make defamation a civil offence from a criminal one, and promises a probe into the Rafale deal. With less than 10 days to go for the elections, Team Rahul has made it all about the Kisan and the Aam Aadmi. All eyes will now be on the BJP and how it counters the Congress's Nyay for the Poor push. Bureau Report, India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.